Hey, I'm Jen Vax with YourColorStyle.com. Have you ever wondered why a color looks good on you but another color doesn't? You might have even followed one of the quizzes and determined that you were a certain color type, but you still have questions like why can I still wear blue but it says that I have warm undertones, and how come I can wear this type of color, but this color looks off and I don't understand why. Maybe your hair has gone gray and colors that used to look good on you seem off now. If you have a lot of questions, a lot of confusion maybe between different color types and the color palettes that are recommended for you, then I want to introduce you to my course called Color Harmony. Why? This color looks good, but that color doesn't. Your color style is based on color theory. It's not based on seasons, it's based on science, on color theory. And when you understand why a certain color works with your natural coloring and tone, everything kind of opens up. Light bulb moments happen. And you can stop struggling and wondering if I have the right color type or the right color palette when this color feels off and this other color feels right. And also, when you understand the why, you also can be a little bit more confident in being flexible with your colors, understanding that if you're in between, what does that really mean? And how can you make sure that you're making smart color choices for yourself? I can tell you what colors look good on you, but if you don't understand the why, it can still be very confusing. You may still have resistance and want to challenge it, and I can totally understand that. So this course goes into color theory for color analysis. This is what your color style is all about. It's why it's inclusive. It's why it works for everyone. So this course is for you. If you are someone that just absolutely loves to learn more about color theory and you like to hear me teach color theory, then you're gonna love this course. You just may be passionate about learning in general. It's also for you if you feel confused, that you may have done a self-color analysis and you're kind of stuck in between 2 or maybe 3 color types and you just don't understand enough to make a confident decision on a color palette for yourself. Or maybe your coloring has changed over time and where it once made sense just simply doesn't right now. And that could be because you've grown your gray hair out. And now, even though you hear me say things like your undertones don't change, yet somehow colors that are supposed to be in your color palette don't feel right anymore. So what's happening? How do you fix it? So if you have a lot of questions around that, I welcome you to the course Color Harmony. I think you're really going to enjoy it. You're going to learn a lot, and I hope that it brings clarity to your color type and your self-color analysis. There is a link near this video. Unless you're on the product detail page, then go ahead and register and enroll right now. The course is live and ready for you. I hope it helps.